Hi everyone, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use WhatsApp without phone number on iPhone. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open the App Store and then download the app called Text Me. After downloading it, sign up using your email and then click on Get a Phone Number. Click on your country or any country that you want. Example, Canada. And then wait for it to load and choose any number. Click accept. Then afterwards, you should click on the plan that you want. After choosing a plan, you may now use that phone number in signing up with WhatsApp. So, that's how you can use WhatsApp without phone number on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.